work on now is some broken rhythm kicks. Get them feeling one rhythm, and one pace, and we change that. We get them feeling like they're gonna get one rhythm, and we change those paces on it. You almost strike like a cobra. I'm playing here, and I'm setting them up in one, and you know that up elbow, like I said, as we get going. Especially some of the other cooler strikes we got, is that broken rhythm front kick, broken, boom. That's how you set up the spin kicks. Even just a little stutter, make them second guess their guard. That's what the broken rhythm is all about. I'm gonna have some archival footage of this old guy when he used to scrap once in a while. We're gonna have a lot of fun stuff, so get over to newgroovis.com and check us out, join the university.